Hello, today we will speak about the constraints on permitted subclasses for sealed classes with Carrefour Shop editions as theme. When you define a sealed class in Java, the permitted subclasses must follow specific rules to ensure the system remains consistent and secure. Let's explore this constraint using our real-world example of Carrefour Shops. First, permitted subclasses must be accessible at compile time. The Java compiler must have access to all permitted subclasses when compiling the sealed class. For instance, if you define public sealed class Carrefour Shop permits Carrefour City, Carrefour Market, Carrefour Hyper, then at compile time, the compiler must also have access to the full definitions of these three rounds, Carrefour City, Carrefour Market, and Carrefour Hyper. Furthermore, because Carrefour Hyper could itself be a sealed class, the compiler would also need access to any of its permitted subclasses, such as Carrefour Drive and Carrefour Bio. Next, permitted subclasses must directly extend the sealed class. A permitted class must directly inherit from the sealed class it is listed under. You cannot declare a permitted class that is several layers down the inheritance hierarchy. Example, public sealed class Carrefour Shop permits Carrefour City, Carrefour Market. Here, both Carrefour City and Carrefour Market must directly extend Carrefour Shop. Incorrect example will be, if Carrefour Urban Market extends Carrefour Market, you cannot list Carrefour Urban Market in Carrefour Shops permit clause directly. It has to be a straight relation of hierarchy. Next, permitted subclasses must specify their continuation of sealing. Each permitted subclass must explicitly state how it continues the sealing behavior using exactly one of the following modifiers. Final, no further subclass allowed. Example, Carrefour City might be final because it has a fixed structure. Public final class Carrefour City extends Carrefour Shop. Then, sealed can only be extended by a specific permitted subclasses. Example, Carrefour Hyper could be sealed if it defines specific types like Carrefour Drive and Carrefour Bio. Public sealed class Carrefour Hyper extends Carrefour Shop permits Carrefour Drive, Carrefour Bio. And finally, non-sealed open the subclass to unrestricted extension. Example, Carrefour Market might be non-sealed to allow new market formats to be added later. For example, public non-sealed class Carrefour Market extends Carrefour Shop. Next, subclasses must be in the same module or same package. Depending on the project organization, if you use name module, with GPMS, like in a modularized Java application, the sealed class and its permitted subclasses must all be part of the same module. If you work with unnamed module, standard package-based project, they must be in the same package. Example, with module, package com Carrefour Shop, this package, public sealed class Carrefour Shop, permits Carrefour com.carrefour.shop city.carrefour city, com.carrefour shop market.carrefour market, and com.carrefour.shops.hyper.carrefour hyper. So you see, we have this package mentioned in these three permitted children of the seed. This will compile only if all classes are part of the same module, such as com.carrefour. Otherwise, in a simpler project with that module, all classes will need to be placed under the same package. Example, com.carrefour.shop. This one, here, here, and here. Quick recap. So, for a constraint, we have the explanation. The constraint accessible at compile time. Compiler must see all permitted classes. Then, the constraint direct inheritance, permitted classes must directly extend the sealed class. Then, single continuation modifier, each must be either final, either sealed, or non-sealed. Same module package constraint. Depends on whether you use name module or package. It has to be in the same module or in the same package. Thank you very much, and maybe see you in another video. Bye.